How y'all doing today? So today we're gonna be doing a little mini lock Monday. Got this little no name brand Dollar General, little tiny lock. Got this little itty bitty keyway. So we're gonna vice it up, man. I don't know if my phone's gonna focus, but that's 4 pins there. So we're gonna throw it in a vice because I can't hold tension on this thing in hand. So let's get it in here. Let's adjust this so we can try and get it to focus. Last time I did it, I didn't realize this thing was completely out of focus. So let's see what we can do. Is this tight? Yeah. Alright, we're going top of keyway because bottom of keyway just can't get it. Ain't enough space in there. Alright, so let's see if I can do this without dropping. One. And we got a bit of a false set, but every time it does that, it drops the tensioner. So let's see what we can do. 3, 4, and I god dang drop the tension. Let's see if we can hold it in place. Nothing. Shit. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Let's start over. Tension is the hardest thing on this little thing. 1, 2, 3, and now we drop tension. So let's see if we can hold it in place and pick it back up. Come on, pin 4. 4. Don't you drop. Oh, there you go. I don't feel anything. Nope. Damn. Did the shackle pop? No, shackle didn't pop. Alright. Let's make sure the key works still. Yeah, the key still works. Okay. Let's see if we can lock it back up. At least I think the key works. Yeah, the key still works. Okay. Those shackles probably just jammed, so let's see if we can get a pop. And no shackle pop. Alright. Let's go again. Alright. Remember the shackle locks up top. Alright. Hate this little lock. Bane of my existence. Alright, let's see. All or nothing, y'all, all or nothing. This little thing's proving to be a monster. Alright, let's see if we can do this without dropping tension again. Let's see if we can do it with the short side. It's just got a wider mouth on it. It doesn't grab and hold as well, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, and look at that. And it went and it dropped. I don't know if y'all can see that, so we'll do it one more time. Alright. Every time it pops, it drops. One, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if we can keep it in place while we rotate. And of course you don't want to rotate. 2, 3. Every time. more time with it. I think it popped. I just don't know if y'all can see it pop. I want to get this thing to pop on camera. 1. I think it's got spools. 2, 3, 4. Alright, there we go. Now y'all can see it. And there it is. Alright, well, that's all I got. Y'all have a good one.